Owning a cat is better for the environment. Viscous cat food is more dog food. If you are worried about your carbon footprint, it is better to own a cat than a dog. A 2009 study found that the resources needed to feed a dog over the source of its life create the same eco footprint as that of a land cruiser. Meanwhile, cats which eat less in general and are more likely to eat fish than corn or beef flavored products only have the approximate carbon footprint of a small head bag. They will help you keep sad women in bed choosing orange cat. Your cat will be through the comfort you losing a loved one is increasingly painful, but one of the best ways of camping is to own a pet. Cats have been shown to help people get over their laws more quickly and show favor physical symptoms of pain like crying, despite the fact that they are only animals. Cats serve as a social support during difficult times. People in mourning report talking to their pet to work out their feelings. Since it is often easier to talk to something that won't respond and can't judge than to another human being. And find a significant other. If you are a single guy and you can't seem to get a date, get a cat. A British poll found that 82% of women agreed they are more attracted to men who like animals, and while having a dog will do wonder for your dating life. A shopping 90% of single women said in one survey that men who own a cat are nicer than other guys. However, not all women want a cat loving man. One 2020 study found that women were less attracted to men who feature cat in their dating profile. Cats owners are smart. A 2010 survey of British pet owners by the University of Bristol found that people who owned cats were more likely to have college degrees than their dog loving counterparts. In 2014, a researcher in Wisconsin surveyed 600 college students and found that cat owners were